How to repair a torn patio swing seat lining. Patio swing seat liners are generally constructed from vinyl as the material can withstand constant exposure to wind, rain and snow. However, even the strongest vinyl seat liner isn't completely impervious to damage and can become torn. Before completely removing and replacing a torn patio swing seat liner, fix the damage with a vinyl patch. The patch creates a strong repair and keeps your existing liner viable for several years to come. Things you will need: all-purpose cleaner, soft cloth, fingernail clippers or small scissors, vinyl patch, vinyl adhesive. Clean the area around the tear with all-purpose cleaner and a soft cloth. Work the cleaner into the vinyl to remove any dirt, mud or other debris that would otherwise prevent the vinyl adhesive from effectively adhering to the liner. Wait for the liner to air dry completely before continuing. Cut a hole approximately 2 inches in diameter around the torn area. This will provide you with a larger area to fit the vinyl patch in place. Remove any loose threads from the hole with a pair of fingernail clippers or small scissors. Use a vinyl patch that is slightly larger than the hole you made. Vinyl repair kits are available at marine supply or home improvement stores. Slide the vinyl patch into the hole and adjust it until it is straight and flush against the liner's underside. Lift the vinyl liner away from the patch slightly. Apply a thin layer of vinyl adhesive on the underside of the vinyl liner where it touches the patch. Press and hold the vinyl liner against the patch for 1 to 2 minutes to allow the adhesive to set. Allow the vinyl adhesive to dry for at least 24 hours before using the outdoor swing. Tips: warnings. Wear rubber gloves while applying the vinyl adhesive to prevent contact with your skin.